Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Moving into a reverse plank position variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you and lift your heart, opening across your front body. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet, gently pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Release and step your feet back to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to the seat of your chair, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. With your spine long, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.